7 Natural Remedies for a Toothache. An aching tooth can be mildly uncomfortable to debilitatingly painful. Although the aggravating sensation is probably best addressed by your dentist, there are things you can do on your own to alleviate the discomfort immediately. You don't even need to resort to drugs, as there are several natural remedies for toothache. In this video, we have several natural and effective home remedies that can help you fight toothache. It is essential to watch the entire video to see what each treatment entails and how to use it properly. Following are 7 natural and inexpensive but effective ways to deal with your toothache at home. 1. Hydrogen peroxide rinse. Hydrogen peroxide is an everyday antiseptic. It is most commonly used to clean minor cuts and skin wounds, but is also safe and effective as a mouthwash. To use hydrogen peroxide for a toothache, mix it with equal parts water and swish it around your mouth for about a minute before spitting it out. Try to focus on the toothache area to help dislodge any food particles that could be causing inflammation. 2. Peppermint Tea Bag. In 2006, the Phytotherapy Research Journal published a study review that compiled all the potential health benefits of peppermint tea to human health. Most notably, it offers potent antiseptic and analgesic effects, which help address toothaches. To fight a toothache with peppermint tea, all you need to do is take a warm tea bag and bite on it using the aching tooth. Keep it there for about 5 minutes to give the peppermint time to fight bacteria and soothe the nerves around the tooth. 3. Clove Oil. Clove oil has long been used as a natural antiseptic. It is beneficial for toothaches because it kills bacteria and microbes and reduces inflammation. To use clove oil as a natural toothache remedy, combine a drop with a teaspoon of virgin coconut oil. Dip a cotton ball into the mixture and place it on your sore tooth. Bite on it for about a minute before discarding the cotton ball. If necessary, you may reapply once every 2 hours. 4. Raw garlic. Garlic is incredibly useful in natural medicine because it is a potent antimicrobial. Although it can treat practically any bacteria or inflammation-induced ailments, a study published by the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2011 shows that it is particularly effective in eradicating oral pathogens. This means it can be used for all sorts of dental diseases. To use it as a toothache treatment, make a paste using a clove of garlic and apply it to the painful tooth. Let it sit for about a minute before spitting it out. Rinse only if you can't tolerate the taste, but the treatment will be more effective the longer it stays on. 5. Vanilla extract. Most people think of vanilla merely as a flavoring for desserts and pastries, but it has potent health benefits. According to a 2021 study review published by Advances in Traditional Medicine, vanilla offers several therapeutic benefits thanks to its antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. To use vanilla for your toothache, you need to use a high-quality extract, not a commercial flavoring. Then apply it directly to your aching tooth. 6. Guava Leaves. Guava leaves are valuable in traditional medicine because you can use them to treat a wide variety of ailments. These leaves work for toothaches because of their potent astringent, antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory effects. To use guava leaves for toothache treatment, you must boil a few leaves in water, let them cool, and use them as a mouth rinse. You can also swallow it for additional health benefits, like strengthening your immune system and supporting your kidneys. 7. Paracress leaves. The Paracress plant is also commonly referred to as the toothache plant because it is best known for its impressive ability to relieve oral pain. Unlike other remedies that work to kill bacteria and reduce inflammation, Paracress leaves work as a local anesthetic. To use this remedy, all you need to do is chew on a fresh leaf. This brings almost instantaneous pain relief, but is not likely to address the cause, so you'll still need to combine it with other remedies. Nevertheless, the comfort it brings makes it incredibly valuable. Every one of these 7 natural remedies for toothache has been proven by research to be remarkably effective. But although these might help you alleviate pain, make sure you still go and see your dentist to address the root of your dental problems. However, it is best to try these before resorting to pharmaceutical solutions that often have undesirable side effects. Following are the study references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.